welcome back to our channel. Today we embark on a thrilling 2 days trip to Coimbatore. Let's start the journey now. Starting from Marthahalli, we hopped into BTM bus to Majestic, eventually catching a train at 8:10 pm. After a full night journey in train, we finally reached Coimbatore railway station at 4 am. From there, we hopped on a local bus to Gandhipuram bus station. We took a room in a hotel just 700 meters away from Gandhipuram bus stop. Costs us 1600 rupees for 2 day stay. After a quick refresh, we explored the area, grabbed breakfast and set out to find a rental bike conveniently located behind our hotel road. Then we took 2 scooties at the cost 700 rupees per day each. We planned to visit Siruvani Waterfalls and Isha Foundation on first day of the trip. Let's start our journey to Siruvani Waterfalls, which is 38 kilometers from Coimbatore in koviakurtalam, Velangiri Hills. After starting our ride, passing by betel nut and coconut trees, the weather is perfect, with clouds gathering to paint the skies and rain-kissed hills welcoming us. The lush greenery creates a calm atmosphere around us. As we approach the Velangiri Hills, it's as if the clouds themselves are gently crossing the peaks. An hour into ride, we arrived at the entrance of the Siruvani forest, where a lineup of parked cars awaits. We reached this ticket counter and this is managed by the forest department. Here they informs us that the magic hours for entering are from 10 am to 2 pm with the ticket price at 60 rupees for adults and 25 rupees for children. For vehicle parking they charging 20 rupees for bike and 50 rupees for 4-wheelers. Remember, the Monday is holiday for the waterfalls, so plan your visit accordingly. After securing our tickets, we stepped into the forest, passing by these food stalls. A thorough check ensures no plastic items make their way into this natural haven. After checking, a convenient clock room allows us to deposit helmets and belongings. The forest department offers bus services to the waterfalls. Throughout our journey, the forest department efficiently manages everything, enhancing our experience in this untouched natural paradise. As we board the bus, the thick forest unveils itself in all its glory. Towering trees, vibrant greenery, and the sense of tranquility that leaves us saying, wow, 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 it's looking like a wow. After a bus drive of 2 to 3 kilometers, we entered Siruvani forest. From here, one has to walk for 2 kilometers into the dense forest. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of Siruvani Waterfalls, nestled in the scenery Velangiri Hills. Join with us on this enchanting journey through tall trees, lush greenery, and the wet landscapes of mystical forest. Listen to the enchanting melodies of birds singing their songs, adding a natural soundtrack to this scenery heaven. Nature's symphony unfolds as the rain-soaked surroundings come alive with vibrant colors and refreshing the fragrance of the forest. starting 2 kilometers trekking through this forest, and guess what? We have just arrived at the mesmerizing waterfalls. Just look at this incredible sight. The waterfalls gracefully cascading down from the rocky mountains and welcomes us with a gentle rain, as if the Mother Nature herself is extending a warm greeting. We couldn't resist capturing every moment here. The whole scene is a symphony of greenish, with rain adding a magical touch to the already stunning waterfalls. Now we are heading down to get up close and personal with the heart of this natural wonder. This is a heaven for nature lovers. The combination of green forest and the gentle rain is like a therapy session for body and the soul. I am feeling that my body is floating in the embrace of Mother's Nature's beauty. If you are a natural lover like me, this is an absolute must-visit destination. Trust me, it's a quick remedy for both physical and mental rejuvenation. Wow, what an incredible few hours it's been here in nature's wonderland. We had an absolute blast with waterfalls and the lush green forest. We were having so much fun and enjoyed a lot, and then the nature decides to turn up the drama. The rain started pouring heavily, and then forest officers stepped into guiding us on the safety measures near the waterfalls. But you know, it's always hard to leave a place that feels like it's captured a piece of your soul. Our hearts are be here, but it's time to say goodbye. The memories we have made still stay with us forever. Then we started returning back. Now we are off to visit the Isha Foundation, just 16 kilometers away from the Siruvani Waterfalls. These incredible places are particularly neighbors, so we plan to explore both on the first day of our trip. Let's join on this journey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. There is so much more to discover, and we can't wait to share it with you. After half an hour journey, we finally reached the Isha Foundation, which is established by the Sadguru. We reached the Sarpavasal, which is main entrance to the Dhyanalinga and Linga Bhairavi temples. Now we are going to visit the 112 feet Adiyogi statue. Finally, we reached the Adiyogi statue. At weekend nights, there is a laser show from 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m., which is the main attraction for the visitors. After visiting the Adiyogi statue, we took a bath in Suryakund and visit Dhyanalinga and Linga Bhairavi temples inside the Sarpavasal. After watching the laser show, we are heading back to our hotel room in Gandhipuram, Coimbatore. Guys, today was an absolute blast as we experienced the mesmerizing waterfalls and laser show in Isha Foundation. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for second day trip. We have got some exciting plans lined up. Guys, before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all our adventures. Stay tuned for more incredible journeys right here on our channel. Thank you for watching.